Violet Moss Brown's body to be made available to the University of the West Indies for research. Moss Brown died on Friday, September the 15th. She was aged 117. A close family member of the Jamaican supercentenarian said that viewing of Miss Brown's body, who was affectionately called Aunt V, will be held at the Chaitonville Baptist Church in her Duanville Chilani community, which will be followed by a service on Saturday, October the 7th. After that, her body will be removed to the University of the West Indies for research. Moss Brown died at the Fairfield Medical Center in Montego Bay. Moss Brown of Duanville in Chilani was born on March 10, 1900. She became the world's oldest person earlier this year after the death of Emma Moreno of Italy. Miss Brown is ours, she's our icon, she's our national treasure, and it is a great gesture from her family to gift her body to science and for the purpose of research, and doing so to a Jamaican based institution, University of the West Indies, because they could have easily said they would give it to another country whose probably research capabilities are probably better than ours at this point in time. So it is good that her body will remain with Jamaicans, and whatever the research uncover will be a Jamaican thing. So rest in peace, Miss Brown, and good gesture from the family. My God. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.